Well, we've started shipyard school here, which encompasses a bunch of our programs. So we're into redoing boats, and so even though this is not a huge ship, this was brought in by Mr. Clem Richard's friend Barry. Clem is a former principal at Baker, and they came in and said they had a 1968 Floyd Beausarge boat, and the kids had to, fix the transom. They had to fix a lot of the rotten parts. Redeck this too.
Oh, I like that non-skid.
This is a thing called Durabot. We put our batteries in. We have to know where to locate that. We have an on-off switch where we turn on the power. We have an automatic charger we put in that the kids, when you have a boat, they learn, they all love this, and they want to take home and show their uncle how to do this to a boat. And you just plug that in and it automatically maintains your batteries. And then we put in the switch panels, and you have to hook that up, and how do you put a grounding bar and all the things that go with that. And everything's fused, and we may do several projects during the year that will encompass several different programs. So when we have something like this, is actually hands-on learning.